I'm attorney Tim Semmelroth with RSH Legal. If you're not careful, your workers' compensation settlement may cost you your government benefits down the road. Accepting your Iowa workers' compensation benefits in the wrong way can cost you money in the long run. The money that you receive for a work injury can reduce the amount of money that the government will pay you in Social Security disability benefits or Medicare benefits. It doesn't seem fair, but this sort of thing can happen when an injured worker accepts a workers' compensation settlement without taking the necessary precautions. Let me give you a couple of examples. Number one, the Social Security Administration only allows a disabled worker to receive so much money in benefits during a particular month. If a work injury disables a worker so that he qualifies for Social Security disability benefits, and the worker does not insist on special language in his workers' compensation settlement paperwork, the Social Security Administration will reduce the injured worker's monthly Social Security disability check. The ultimate result is that the injured worker gets less total money than he otherwise would. Number two, Medicare will not pay for medical treatment if it believes that an injured worker has already received money for that medical treatment. In other words, if an injured worker receives money in a workers' compensation settlement for future medical treatment, Medicare will not pay for that future medical treatment, even if the injured worker otherwise qualifies for Medicare. The ultimate result is that if the injured worker has not insisted on special language in the workers' compensation settlement paperwork, he can end up paying for his own future medical treatment out of his own pocket. Do not let Social Security disability or Medicare take a bite out of your workers' compensation settlement. Before accepting a settlement after a work injury, the safest thing to do is have your case evaluated by a qualified Iowa workers' compensation attorney. An experienced Iowa work comp attorney can advise you how to settle your claim so that you can avoid any costly Social Security or Medicare blunders. The proper workers' compensation settlement paperwork can make all the difference in the world. Want to know more? Call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283 and speak to one of our workers' compensation attorneys.